Exit dive.
Aware of the tobacco flavor ban. All flavored vape and tobacco products are banned from being sold here in Massachusetts.
Stop. I didn't think she would.
Or stop by one of our 9 locations and pick up some flavor.
Couldn't find a better place to walk your damn dogs, could you?
Just now called the shuttered venues operators ramp, and we're waiting for that to come. Super Bowl week. Are you going to get anything extra? No. Nothing.
Guys. Wrong lane, dum-dum. Man, the fag old doing though. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're exit diving. What the hell was that for? That wasn't too bright. Wake up, stupid. Jesus! Toyotard!
Younger people who are needing and seeking mental health services now. Suicides up. People are really drug abusers. Violence against women. People are really feeling the hole. They don't know how to get out. You've given them a lot of hope.
Fuck you.
There is some hope with this labor
Give me a
department
dirty look, you
report
dirtbag.
because This is done. You know this is not cheap. It will cost you as low
Good.
as $300 and a lot
I
more
enjoyed
as well.
that.
Carl Stevens was
Oh. The frick was that for? There was absolutely no reason for that. You're an Nimrod. That was a red light runner. Fucking asshole! Of course you're not gonna stop, right? Of course not, because you're a fucking scumbag. And we're on the red, right? Yeah, 2 of them are in the red. Nice. Supposed to stop the Yastard. Guess who's blocking the intersection? Yes. Because you're douchebags. Stop sign, red light runner, whatever. That's not really driving food. Can't wait for it to fall in our lap. His lap. No turn on red. No turn on red. No turn on red. No turn on red. Arrow. No turn on red. I think it is around a red light. Okay, he just went left from the right lane. Well, they're an idiot. He goes Toyota.
Groundhog said 6 more weeks of winter. I guess the forecast.
Yes, it's a stop. A red light's still stupid.
And
Wakey,
right now
wakey.
we are seeing bright sunshine all across the state, but we're stuck in the 20s. 22.
And you got a red light. Thank
right
you.
Now, Gloucester.
Kimroy, Toyotard. Yeah, okay. One.
Album he plays on a number of tracks on
Thank
All
you,
the Rage,
thank you,
including
thank you.
our number
Thank
30
you.
song. Not a huge
What the fuck is wrong with you?
but a big hit in terms of placements. This song appeared in a number of movies in the 80s.
There's nobody in front of you. Fuck you, dude.
Sorry, Kevin. We'll check back with you.
Hello? Are you close enough? What?
We're looking at a very wintry forecast. I don't know how much snow you got, but we definitely got shovelable snow overnight. Some of you certainly got ice on the windshield today. Sunny skies everywhere. We still have northwest up to 14 miles an hour.
I think it was cut off, maybe? What are you doing, you moron? I'm supposed to change lanes in the construction zone, Toyota. Exit dive. I yield. Anybody want to yield? I guess not.